Let's go.
G'day, wildlife enthusiasts. You know, I've always said laughter is the best medicine. And let me tell you, the animal kingdom's got a whole pharmacy of funny. We've got birds out there that'd give a stand-up comedian a run for their money. Today, we're going on a wild ride to meet some of the most hilarious birds on the planet. Those feathered jokers that'll have you roaring with laughter. So buckle up and get ready for a countdown that's for the birds. Literally. Now our first comedian is a real hoot, the kakapo. This flightless parrot from New Zealand is like the class clown who never quite got the hang of flying. They're a bit on the chubby side with this adorable waddling walk that's more of a stumble than anything else. And when they try to take flight, crikey, it's more like a controlled crash landing. But hey, you gotta admire their persistence, right? They might not be winning any air races, but they sure know how to steal a scene with their clumsy antics. These guys are nocturnal, which means they're out partying when the sun goes down. And let me tell you, their booming calls are the life of the forest rave. They're like those friends who are always the last ones standing, belting out karaoke with more enthusiasm than talent. But that's what makes them so lovable, right? They're proof that you don't have to be graceful to be hilarious. Next up, we've got a bird with a face that could curdle milk. The shoebill stork. This grumpy-looking fella might not be winning any beauty contests, but trust me, he's a real riot once you get to know him. Just look at that face. It's like he's permanently judging your life choices, and his massive, clog-shaped bill only adds to his grumpy charm. But here's the kicker. When the shoebill gets excited, it makes this hilarious bill-clapping sound that's like a cross between a castanet and a coconut shy. It's completely unexpected and always gets a laugh. They're like that grumpy uncle who secretly loves to party and busts out some killer dance moves when you least expect it. Talk about a hidden talent. Hold on to your hats, folks, because our next act is a real showstopper. The lyrebird is the ultimate impressionist of the bird world, capable of mimicking sounds with mind-blowing accuracy. We're not just talking about other bird calls, mind you. These guys can mimic anything from chainsaws to car alarms, camera shutters to crying babies. Imagine walking through the forest and hearing what sounds like a construction site, only to stumble upon a lyrebird belting out its greatest hits. It's enough to make you question your sanity. They're like those friends who can impersonate anyone, from celebrities to your own family members, always leaving you in stitches. Now, who doesn't love a bird with blue feet? The blue-footed booby is a real head-turner, and it knows it. These guys strut their stuff with those bright blue feet like they're walking a runway, and their mating dance is something to behold. Imagine a bird trying to impress its lady friend by lifting its feet up high, like it's showing off a pair of brand new sneakers. It's both hilarious and endearing, and you can't help but root for them to find true love. And speaking of love, these boobies are incredibly devoted partners. They mate for life and share parenting duties, proving that behind those goofy exteriors beat hearts of gold. They're like that couple everyone knows who are always laughing and having a good time, reminding us that life's too short to take ourselves too seriously. Last but not least, we've got the life of the party, the African gray parrot. These birds are incredibly intelligent and known for their uncanny ability to mimic human speech. But here's the thing, they don't just parrot words, they understand them. They can hold conversations, tell jokes, and even pull pranks. Imagine having a chat with a bird that's wittier than your best friend. They're like those friends who always have a funny story to tell or a witty remark up their sleeve, keeping the conversation lively and the laughter flowing. They remind us that intelligence and humor go hand in hand, and that sometimes the funniest creatures are the ones who can outsmart us. Well, there you have it, folks. A hilarious flock of feathered comedians that prove laughter truly is the best medicine. From the clumsy antics of the kakapo to the witty banter of the African gray parrot, these birds remind us to embrace the lighter side of life and find joy in the most unexpected places. So tell me, Which one of these feathered jesters tickled your funny bone the most? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, life's a jungle out there, so don't forget to laugh.